Question number 4. You can see that there are two shapes there. They are asking us to find area of the shaded region. Now in the diagram you can see that the entire area is shaded. We are going to find the entire area here. This triangle is in the shape of an equilateral triangle. The sides are 12 centimeter each and the radius of this circle is 6 centimeter. So the area of shaded region is going to be equal to area of this equilateral triangle plus area of circle So when you take this area and this area, you can see that this area alone is getting repeated 2 times. So since it is getting repeated 2 times, we have to subtract 1 time. This is nothing but it is in the shape of a sector. So you can subtract area of sector. Now when you write the formulas, you know that area of equilateral triangle is going to be root 3 by 4 a squared. This is the formula to find area of equilateral triangle plus area of circle. Formula is pi r squared. Area of sector formula is theta by 360. Since it is an equilateral triangle, angle here is 60 degrees. So we are going to have 60 degree by 360 degree into pi r squared. Now when you cancel, this is 1 time and this is 6 time. So we are going to have pi r squared minus 1 by 6 pi r squared. So when you subtract both, you are going to have root 3 by 4 a squared. Taking LCM, you will have 6 pi r squared minus pi r squared by 6. So the final formula to find the area of shaded region is going to be root 3 by 4 a squared plus 6 pi r squared minus pi r squared is going to be 5 pi r squared divided by 6. Now we are going to substitute the values. This a value is nothing but side of the triangle. Side of the triangle is 12 centimeters. So we are going to have root 3 by 4 into 12 plus we will write that 5 by 6 separately into pi value is 22 by 7. R squared is, R value is 6. So we are going to have 6 into 6. 1 6 and 1 6 here can be cancelled. So 1 4 is 4, 3 4s are 12. So we are going to have 3 into 12, that is 36 root 3 plus 5 into 22 is 110. 110 into 6 is 660 by 7. This is the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region is 36 root 3 plus 660 by 7 centimeter squared.